What is music therapy? The American Music Therapy Association defines music therapy as the clinical and evidence-based use of music interventions to accomplish individualized goals within a therapeutic relationship by a credentialed professional who has completed an approved music therapy program. So basically, this is a profession that's seeking to address physical, emotional, cognitive, and social needs of individuals using music in a therapeutic setting. So a music therapist will assess individuals' needs and strengths in order to develop a plan that will involve either creating, singing, moving to or playing, even listening to music, or really any combination of those. The aim is to strengthen clients' abilities and be able to transfer them to other areas of their lives. Music therapy is also shown to be effective with communication, since it gives individuals the opportunity to express themselves without words, which this is very important when discussing autism because many individuals on the spectrum are nonverbal. Some of them, even with the verbal skills, lack a lot of the abilities that you or I would. They're very limited verbal skills. So I'm also going to give you a little brief history of music therapy in general before we move on. So music therapy is believed to be as old, at least, as the ancient Greeks, but possibly even older than that. But the first published writings and recordings of music therapy being used in an institutional setting was not until the 1800s. And then it wasn't really until after World War I and World War II that the profession was formally recognized. And this came about after community musicians went and played in veterans hospitals after the wars, and there were the physiological and psychological improvements that the nurses and doctors were seeing actually led them to request musicians be hired by the hospitals. So from that sparked the need to train these individuals, and so college curricula began to emerge from that. And then later on in the 1900s, mid-1900s, associations and groups and foundations began to be formed. 1950 was when the National Association for Music Therapy was founded.